Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying how the cedar mop head is attached, clamp, snap-on cap, or threaded base. Reach for gloves and a towel, and position the handle over a bucket or sink so water won't drip everywhere. Now release the head. Press the clamp tabs, twist the cap counterclockwise, or pull firmly if it snaps. That immediate action separates the wood head from the handle. Once detached, tap gently to remove loose debris so washing will be more effective and less messy. Now you clean the cedar head carefully because cedar is porous and can warp if treated roughly. Fill a basin with lukewarm water and a small amount of mild detergent. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen grime. Swirl gently and use a soft brush on stubborn spots. Avoid bleach which damages wood. If you need deodorizing, add a splash of vinegar diluted about 1 to 8. Once done, rinse until the water runs clear and gently press out excess water. You finish by drying and reattaching to preserve the cedar's shape and longevity. Lay the mop head flat in the shade or a well-ventilated area. Let it dry fully to avoid mildew. Direct heat can crack the wood. When dry, align the handle's connection and reattach by twisting, snapping, or closing the clamp until it's snug. Give it a quick spin test to ensure stability. If the head warps or won't seat, sand small high spots or replace the head. If it still wobbles, tighten or replace the fastener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.